Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, I was falling down almost. The weather is very nice, even though it's snowy. I love it. Green and really white at the same time. It looks very good. I just want to tell you that I have found a solution. Please check the video, and if it helps you, please subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate your support. Bye! Thank you for watching the video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing my channel. You can comment down below as well. It will help me a lot. Bye.